This is Morten from INKISH TV. We are still here at FEFCO in Lyon. Really nice to meet people. It's much more calm than these great big print shows. For example, the one we were at last week. And I'm here with Stefan from Fujifilm.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good seeing you again.
Last time we met and talked, I know I met you briefly at Hunkler Innovation Days, but last time we had time to actually talk was in a super nice event you had in Brussels. Right?
Yeah, the PPP print
I don't even dare to say it, because I think that when Mark Stevenson is inventing names for things, it's really good for the British people, not so easy for the Danes at least.
And for the Germans
and for
as
the
well.
Germans. So we just call it PPP. I really enjoyed our conversation because we spoke about Fujifilm obviously as one of the really big suppliers of inkjet technology in the market. And we spoke about all the different components, how you are able to make, I think you call them the clusters, or what do you call them? The total
the print bar, we call it.
Print bar, precisely, yeah. It's a couple of years ago. What has been going on since then?
Yeah, so I think we came a long way. It was last year that we spoke. So now we have in Europe the first installation with the print bar in a design of 1 meter in a direct mailing environment. So this is basically a very good reference. And there are many other projects, especially also going into the 4-color direction. So stepping outside the just monochrome application into a 4-color and extended gamut applications.
And for people to understand this, it's just because, I mean, when people think about Fujifilm and inkjet, they think about the jet presses, they think about all the new stuff that was shown also Printing United. But when you're talking about basically you are custom building Fujifilm technology to fit into industrial scale applications, right?
Exactly, yeah, you brought it to the point indeed, right? So we're kind of filling the gap from a ready design press like the jet press or some of our other offerings like the FP790. So we have really customized bespoke solutions in order to enhance existing processes in an industrial scale, as you said, like also from availability. So we use that technology, which is proven around the globe in many applications with our Samba printhead technology, and we're going to build customized solutions for our customers, yes.
And that, again, for people to understand, that basically means, let's say, I've just given an example. Let's say that you have a requirement to having, let's say, fast inkjet, and you don't want to exchange your, let's say, your offset presses, but you want to have, like, let's say, 1 page on the backside that needs to be, that could be put on a binding machine. It could be put on any devices during the process in order to give you that flexibility.
Absolutely. Right? So we have a single pass technology, so we can add it really to any existing process wherever a substrate, a material, the paper, the corrugated board is transported in a controlled manner, and we can enhance that process in the finishing or also in the printing to make it a hybrid print, to enhance it with the digital technology given by the inkjet possibility.
Is it the customers you address, is that only, let's say, implementators and other OEMs, or is it also, let's say, a printing company that could contact you for a solution? Or?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are really good in retrofitting, so adding our components to the existing processes. So really what we're talking to is mainly to end customers having the need to add variable content in many cases to their products, and don't want to really invest into a new digital press, and we can fill that gap really in between.
Now you say that they don't want to invest, but sometimes it's actually because you take the best of several worlds, right? Because sometimes flexography or offset or web offset can be better for certain applications, but you just need that flexibility of the digital combined with it, right?
Exactly. So the hybrid press really takes the best out of both worlds. So there's a good reason that the printing technology flex or offset is around for many years. For long runs, it's a perfect technology. But if you have to add like variable content or short run information to it, then digital is the right thing. And to bring that together, the benefits from the conventional side and the digital side, this is really when they should reach out to us. We have solutions for that.
As I said in my introduction to you, we are here at FEFCO, the Federation of Corrugators in Europe. I mean, why are you here?
Yeah, so basically also in that industry, obviously, there's a need thinking about like the packaging regulations, what you have to add on a package. So there is a need to add digital content to it. And again, this is a challenging environment. It's fast. It's also a hot environment, but we have solutions which can withdraw those environments and give a really good quality. and also without compromising the conventional processes in printing or in finishing.
And I can tell you, you probably know this, but we have only been here for like a couple of hours, but I have already met people that are using your technology on their machines, right? So you're not a stranger here, right?
No, I mean, this is really the good thing, right? Like we have more and more interest in our technologies. The Samba printhead, which is the core, is very well known in the industry by our OEM partners. And this is why it's really good to be here and to talk to the people and let them know what we can do for them.
Fantastic. Have a super event here.
Thank you so
Good to
much.
see you.
Good seeing you.